The 6 disconnect rule can apply to a feeder that supplies a detached building if all of the following conditions are met. Firstly, the feeder is a single feeder. Secondly, the feeder is not larger than 60 amps. Thirdly, the feeder supplies a single building with multiple branch circuits. Let's analyze a situation where a 60 amp 3-wire feeder runs to a detached garage and terminates in a 12-circuit panel containing two 1-pole 15 amp circuit breakers, two 1-pole 20 amp circuit breakers, and one 2-pole 20 amp circuit breaker. In this scenario, while the feeder is a single 60 amp feeder, satisfying the first two conditions, the third condition is not met. The third condition states the feeder must supply a single building with multiple branch circuits. Because the panel will have multiple branch circuits, but it is not a single building supplied by the feeder, the condition is not satisfied. Since not all conditions of the 6 disconnect rule are met, a main disconnect must be installed at the detached garage. This main disconnect needs to be rated for at least 60 amps. The main disconnect should be either a circuit breaker or a fusible switch. The location of the main disconnect needs to be at the point where the feeder enters the garage.